To make it easier, we're going to change the key to the song. Starting with the second finger on the open A string on the second fret, we're going to play it now. It's a B. Then we move on to open D. First finger on the first fret on the D string. And then second finger on the second fret on the D string. And we're going to hit that 2 more times. And then from that E, we're going to go back down to the D, to the open D. And then back down to the B, the second fret on the A string. Let's play through it together. Start with the B. Go to the open D. First fret on the D string, first finger. Second fret, play it 3 times. Play open D. And back to the B, the second fret on the A string. We're going to play the riff 4 times. I'm going to count off 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, and then since there's a 3-note intro, you're going to come in on 2. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. We're going to play the exact same riff. We're just going to be in a different chord position. We're going to take the second finger and move it from the A string on the second fret to the D string on the second fret. So we're just moving over a string. We're now going to start on the D string on the second fret. So let's do that. Here it is. And then we go to the open G. First fret in the G string. And then we go to the second fret, which is the A, and we hit that 3 times. Back to the open G. And then we go back to the E, the second fret on the D string. And then we do it again. And from there we go back to the very first riff, which is starting on the A string. We move on with the second finger on the second fret on the low E string to the open A. First fret, back to the B, 3 times, open A, back to the F sharp. But this time, we're changing the pattern because we're going back to the B, and then chromatically go down 1 note at a time to the first finger, and then the open A, and hit it 2 more times. Then we go to the second fret on the low E string, which is the F sharp, and then low E. Let's play that part together slowly. And then the closing riff begins just like the first riff. Second fret on the A string, the B here, and we go B, then we go open D, first finger, second finger 3 times, open D, back to the B twice, up to the second fret, the E, and then the D, and then back to your B. And keep going. So I'll do that part. Now I played an E minor chord, which is the first finger on the second fret on the A string and the second finger on the second fret on the D string, and the other string's open. To make it even easier, you can put your first finger on the second fret on the A string and play that along with the low E string to create a power chord.